Hi, I'm Michael Wien from Loma Linda, California. I'm 23 years old, and I want to take the new 2013 Fusion Energy on my ultimate fusion energy adventure to the wonderful city of San Francisco. Why San Francisco? Well, I've lived in inland Southern California all my life, and if you ask anyone who knows me, they'll tell you I don't get out very much. So San Francisco sounded like a good choice because it's on the other side of the state, and there's just something about that city that makes everyone who lives there very happy. Maybe it's the food. To help me figure that out, I'll be bringing my sister along because she's more of a foodie than I am. And the best part is, with all the gas money we'll be saving because of the Fusion Energy's excellent gas mileage, we can feast on things like barbecue and ice cream and all the other good foods that make San Francisco great. So please help this country boy from Southern California find out what he's been missing in NorCal. Thank you.